Hey everybody, Adam here. I know we missed last week's video, but that storm came through Jersey, violent and knocked out power for almost the entire week. We're happy to have power again, and for those that are still being affected in other states, especially the Carolinas, we hope everything gets better soon, and please let us know how we can help support food banks in that region. I wanted to kick off this week announcing our monthly awards. Our Multifamily Community of the Month Award goes to Churchill Apartments. They are an RMK management property. They delivered about 351 pounds of food to the Chicago market. And our Mover of the Month goes to Gentle Giant Moving Company, who continues to be a really incredible partner of ours. Since May, they've actually delivered over 84,000 meals to the Life Food Pantry in Malden, Massachusetts. Among other things they've done with a number of their branches across the country. So congratulations to Churchill, congratulations Gentle Giant, thank you for all that you do. More on the multifamily side, Stadium Place Apartments and Pillar Property has collected almost 100 pounds of food for their local food bank, the Rainier Valley Food Bank, and that was picked up by Lincoln Moving and Storage. I also want to give a shout out to Hardware Village, supporting the Utah Food Bank. And we have a THS Grub Drop Food Drive going on right now. It's actually ended. We're finalizing the collections. We've got a number of Bell Partners properties and Graystar properties that have donated. We'll be having the final tally soon. All that food is going to be going to the Food Bank of Central and Eastern North Carolina. I appreciate all of you that are participating. This is one of the first food drives that's happening in some of our multifamily partners since we've been slowly bringing food drives back online. We've missed them. If there's anyone out there that wants to organize a food drive, we do have a number of opportunities available nationwide, including some socially distant food drives. So again, you can visit our website, moveforhunger.org, click on Take Action, and you can see some of the food drives listed out there. I also want to recognize Bayshore Moving and Storage, who since this pandemic has started has helped transport hundreds of thousands of pounds of food for the Food Bank of Delaware. Thank you to Bayshore. They have been one of our strongest partners since almost the beginning of Move for Hunger, so we appreciate you. On the partnership side, we have a new partner. Shout out to Chadwell Supply, joining us in the midst of a pandemic, no less, but really excited to hear their commitment to fighting hunger, combating food waste, and finding some unique ways that we can not only work with their employees, but work with their clients to fight hunger on a daily basis. And then we have a number of partners that have renewed their support, understanding that hunger isn't a problem that's going away, but only getting worse during these troubled times. So thank you to Custom Moving Services, Matco, Stewart Moving, Olympic Moving and Storage, Beacons Northwest, Wheaton, Beacons, Arpin, and Stevens, all renewing their partnership. We appreciate you. We couldn't continue to do what we do without your support. On the fundraising side, Court and their employees, gotta love Court, they participated in our virtual Move event and raised over $2,500, which is enough to provide about 6,000 meals. So shout out to Court, and FPI Management is actually going to be incorporating our virtual event into their health and wellness fair coming up. So thank you to FPI. For the month of August, anybody that donates $50 or more on the website gets a Move for Hunger t-shirt. We've got them. We want to get them to you. We want to see pictures of you in your Move for Hunger t-shirt showing your support. So please consider making a donation, any donation. It doesn't need to be $50. We truly do appreciate that as well. I think we did announce it on social media, but since I didn't get to say it in a video, since this pandemic has started, we've now delivered more than 1 million meals to individuals and families in need during this crisis. And as proud as we are about that, we know that there's a lot more that needs to be done. And I know many of you right now are thinking about back to school time and what that means. There's different schedules happening. Is it all virtual? Is it some in school, some out of school? I can tell you this, regardless of what the schedules are, the thing that's going to be interrupted is school meals for children. And I know our food bank and pantry partners are working really hard, as well as the local government agencies, to try to figure out how can we make sure the kids aren't missing meals. But it's more important than ever to support organizations not just like Move for Hunger, but like our local food banks and our local food pantries as well. Kids were hungry before the pandemic. Sometimes school was the only place they were receiving a school breakfast and sometimes school lunch. And certainly this interruption is making it even more challenging to make sure that we're able to feed kids and communities. So we're going to continue to work to figure out new solutions, figure out how we can leverage our transportation resources to get more food to kids. Shout out to GoGo Squeeze, who we've been working with and delivered well more than 1 million packets already of their product to young people all across this nation. But we know that we need to do more. So please just kind of keep them in mind as you continue to think about ways that you can get involved. Please visit our website. There's always opportunities there. If you like this video, please like it, share it, not just within our network, but share it with your networks. We want more people to know that Move for Hunger exists and how we're really taking a unique approach to getting food into food banks and pantries. Thanks for paying attention to me this week. I'll have another update for you soon. Thanks so much, and talk to you soon.